Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video we are going to see all about basics of and or not query and how it works and why it is used and how to run the query. Everything we are going to see in this video. Please watch till end. Let's get started the video. First of all, I will explain you by the table in the simple way by and or not table. Okay, these are the two P and Q, and there are values, and these are their results. In the and table, if we have the both true, then we will get the result true, and escape this, all other are false in the and table. To the opposite is or table. In or table, if anyone is true in the both of these P and Q, then your answer will be true. Here you can see that here is both are false, then your answer has came false. In the not table, if true true, then the result will false. If true false, then the result will false. If false true, then true. If false false, then true. It is like opposite to the AND table. Okay, I will show you with the help of the SQL query. Okay, this is firstly I will show you that our table. Okay, this is our table. There are three columns as customer name, state, and the countries. Okay, now we will use the query as or query. Okay, we have to write as where country is equals to USA or state is equals to California. We are telling that select all from customers tables where country is equals to USA and or state is equals to California. If any one of these is true, then the answer will gonna true. Okay, we will select it and we will run it. Here you can see that they have shown they have shown the more results. Okay, this is how the or table runs. We will see now about and table word. And table we have to write as where state where country is equals to USA and we are using the and query and state is equals to California, and we will give the semicolon and we will run this query. Here you can see our query has been run successfully and that is shown the sum only results as compared to the or table. We told that select all from customers tables where country is equals to USA and state is equals to California, means it will show to us results as if both are true, then it will show us result only true. Okay, if anyone is false, then it will not show to us. Okay, in this video we have shown that how the queries runs off and or not. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more. Okay, thank you, see you in the next video.